In this video, we'll show you how to set up the I/O variant of the ABB ACS380 machinery drive after installation. We are configuring the drive through the built-in user interface. The separate assistant control panel can also be used. Please see the manual for instructions. Let's get started. When powered on for the first time, the system of units for the drive needs to be selected. Select the desired unit configuration. Next, press the OK button in the upper right corner to access the main menu and navigate to the motor data view. Set the motor type. The ACS380 machinery drive supports induction motors, permanent magnet motors, and synchronous reluctance motors. The ACS380 supports scalar and vector control modes. Select Vector Control. When using vector control, the drive needs to do an ID run for the motor. This is indicated by a warning when selecting the vector control. The ID run is performed automatically during the next start. Enter the motor data for the motor that is connected. Refer to the motor's nameplate and user manual. Next, return to the main menu. Navigate to Motor Control. Here we can set the start and stop modes of the drive. Select the desired ramp acceleration and deceleration times. Maximum and minimum speeds can also be set here, as well as the maximum allowed current. Now let's configure how the drive is controlled. The ACS380 has application macros, which are pre-programmed sets of parameters suitable for different applications. Navigate to the main menu and scroll to the control macros. The macros available depend on the options currently connected to the drive. In this example, we are using the standard variant. Next, we select the application macro for the drive. For this video, we are using the ABB standard macro. Refer to the firmware manual for more information on different macros. At the next startup, drive performs an automatic ID run. After the ID run is complete, the drive is ready for use. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.